Hey guys, my name is Gerald and today I'm going to share with you guys how I make $2,000 in passive income, and hopefully it'll give you some ideas and more importantly gives you inspiration to strive for this, because if I can do it, so can you, right? First of all, I need to make a disclaimer. This is by no means financial advice, so don't copy exactly what I do. Do your own due diligence, seek expert help. So I'm just sharing with you what are my experiences so that you can learn, hopefully. Secondly, while my income sources are completely passive, I actually spent a lot of time trying to grow them even more. So yeah, if I stop working for a month or two or half a year, they still make me some money, but the idea is that I'm still aggressively trying to grow my various sources of income. So the first way I make passive income is through my savings account. Basically, I put my money in a high interest rate savings account and the bank pays me interest every year. So I put approximately $15,000 to $20,000 in savings, because right now I think there are not a lot of opportunities in the market, and I actually spend a lot of time, a couple of hours, a couple of days in fact, every year trying to look out for the best deals possible. So I started off with my regular savings account, which was like 0.15, spoke to the banks and got like 0.3, and then eventually the smaller banks in Singapore, they came out with better alternatives such as 1% CIMB Fast Saver account. No minimum requirement is always a very important thing for me, because I want to make sure that my accounts are liquid. Then eventually this year I found out about the Jumpstart 2% savings account, and then I immediately plunged and put everything over there. So right now my money is making me about 2% a year. Unfortunately, I haven't found any better deal so far without taking like a significant amount of risk, like for example foreign savings account. Then you're subjected to foreign exchange rate risk, things of that sort. So if I do find any better deals, I will share with you guys. Because I don't have like those kind of incomes that have significant multiple requirements, like you need to deposit your salary, you need to buy an investment product, you need to save a certain amount of money, pay certain bills, then only then you can get like 3 or 4%. I unfortunately don't qualify for a lot of them. So the best deal that I can get right now is 2%. So 2% of $15,000 a year, I get approximately $300 a year in interest, and then that breaks down to about $25 a month, and that's about $25 a month. So that's my first source of income. And my second source of income is through my investments. That's right. In another video I actually share about my investment methods, but not in a lot of detail. And in this video I won't share a lot of details of my investment method, because I really don't think I'm a good investor by any sort. I'm going to share with you guys the passive income source, which is the index funds, because the index funds is like proven through research that it delivers a good amount of money. So I invest in the index fund. In my case, because I'm a Singaporean, I invest in the Singapore index fund, and it gives about 3% dividend every year, slightly more, and I have about $6,000 invested there. So that brings me about $180 a year, divided by 12, that's about $15 a month. So total right now I have about 25 plus 15, $40 a month in passive income. So little. Now for the third source of passive income, this gets a little bit bigger, and it is through YouTube Adsense revenue. So I make YouTube videos. My other channel called BG Badminton has about 65,000 subscribers. We get about 300,000 to 400,000 views a month, and that makes me about $400 a month. So this is like my screenshot of my channel, and I make $400 a month. It's more or less very stable, and I post once a month, sometimes slightly more, sometimes slightly less, but it's been very stable, $400 for almost half a year now. And given that I'm still posting, it's likely to increase, so let's take it as $400. So that's my total passive income right now. Then my fourth and biggest source of passive income is my business. That's right. So I'm very thankful and lucky that I managed to meet a mentor. It kind of guided me on how I can automate my business or systemize my business. So again, I talk about 3 different aspects of business that I need to systemize: the marketing part, so that you get people and customers coming in; the operations, so that everything gets delivered and customers are happy; and then there is accounts, where you need to deal with the back-end administrative work after you service your customers. Of course, this is a very, very, very simplified view. There's a lot of things that's going on in the business, for example HR, strategy, things of the sort that's not covered, but the idea was that I am lucky that I managed to systemize my business. So what is my business exactly? My business is a badminton coaching business in Singapore. So basically, we run badminton classes all around Singapore to help people learn how to play better badminton safely. And I have a team of coaches, a team of customer service staff, and a marketing team to help me automate my entire process. So I'm very lucky that after paying off all the expenses, I still have some left over, and usually on good months I get as much as $1,500 to $2,000. On bad months I get as little as $1,000 in passive income. Of course, I spent a lot of time trying to grow this business, which I'll talk more in a little bit, but the idea, let's take it at the worst case scenario, 1,000 to 1,500, so that's my passive income. So once you add them all together, it's approximately $2,000 in passive income a month. Now let's talk about the future plans for increasing my passive income. The first and most natural progression is online courses, because I make content regularly. It only makes sense for me to create a online course that people can learn badminton, exclusive badminton content and techniques, advanced techniques to improve their badminton game. So I'm making this already. Probably, I have no idea how much this will make me. I hope it'll be successful, but that's one of my future plans in 2020. And my second way of making passive income is through real estate investing. No, I'm not talking about REITs, I'm talking about buying my first property. I'm not sure if I'll be able to buy it in 2020. I hope the market, kind of just go down, everything becomes a bit cheaper, and by then that's when I will start shopping for property. And the next passive income idea that I have is affiliate marketing. Since I'm using a lot of equipment such as camera equipment, badminton equipment to teach, to demonstrate, it only makes sense that I share with people what I think is an awesome product. Hopefully I get a small kickback out of it. That'll be awesome. Hopefully it make me a sizable amount of money. I'm also thinking of selling shirts. Who knows? But basically this sums up all my passive income ideas. What do you think of these ideas? Are they great ideas? If you have better suggestions on how I can supercharge my affiliate income, just let me know in the comments down below. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I need all the support I can get. It really helps me out. Also, if you want to learn from gurus and spend thousands of dollars, I made a video to help you save thousands of dollars from learning from these online gurus. And you should check it out right here. Alright, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!